Hello everyone, welcome to Big Friendly Grab. I hope you're safe and well. Slightly different angle on the video today because this is going to be a super quick video. It's not really going to be a recipe video or anything like that, but hopefully it is going to be very useful to you. Now, if like me, you do a lot of baking, then you probably use a lot of this. This is vanilla extract. It is used a hell of a lot in baking. I use it a lot in cakes. I use it a lot when I'm making icing, tarts, pies, sweet pies anyway. All sorts of things. It goes into so much stuff. I use loads of the stuff. And a bowl like this is 60 millilitres, costs about £7, which is a hell of a lot of money for something so small. That works out about £1.18 per 10 millilitres. That is a heck of a lot for not a lot of stuff. If you bought like a litre of this stuff, that would probably cost you in the region of £118. £118 for a litre of liquid is staggering. I use a hell of a lot of this stuff. So I'm going to show you how to make vanilla extract at home. And to do that, you need vanilla pods and a litre of vodka. And that might sound like a great night in for some of you, but trust me, it's not going to be that kind of video. So yeah, you need vanilla pods and vodka. The vodka costs about 20 quid for a litre's worth, and the vanilla pods probably cost about the same. They are expensive. So in total, this costs you about 40 quid. So it works out about £2 per vanilla pod. But these things are expensive, but this goes a hell of a long way. And as well as those, you just need yourself an empty bottle. You can pick up a Kilner bottle, about a litre of Kilner bottle for about, I don't know, 5-6 quid. So in total, it will cost you about £45 for all of this. But for that, you'll get a litre's worth of vanilla extract at over half the cost of what it would cost you to buy a litre's worth of vanilla extract from the shops. So I'm going to show you how to do that just using these few things right now. So to make our homemade vanilla extract, we're going to need about 10 vanilla pods for a litre's worth of vanilla extract. And this is going to be about 1 vanilla pod per 100 millilitres. So if you are making less, you probably won't need 10. These are grade A vanilla bean pods. These are slightly better quality than grade B, but grade B are absolutely fine for vanilla extract. So if you only get grade B, those are fine as well. So we're going to want to take our vanilla pods very carefully with a sharp knife, split them right down the middle. I'm going to try and do this ever so carefully, just like so. And sometimes if you're using these in cakes, then you scrape out the seeds, but don't do that because we're going to want those seeds in there. So we're going to do that for each and every single one of those. There we go, those are all now split in half, and there's an amazing smell coming from those. And then what we want to do is we just want to pop these into our Kilner bottle, like so. There's our vanilla pods inside our Kilner bottle, and now all we need to do is get a funnel, pop this into the top. I'm going to use one of these funnels that I used from my gadget testing video. This actually came from Wish, and it's actually pretty decent. And then we're just going to fill this up with the vodka. You could also use rum potentially. You could use like white rum, or you could even use dark rum, because dark rum already has a lot of nice dark sugary vanilla notes to it. That could also work. Or you could even potentially perhaps use a bourbon as well, because that has vanilla notes to it as well. But if you want just like pure vanilla extract, then I would just suggest using vodka. You want a spirit that's around 37.5–40%. Anything more than that is just going to be too strong. There we go, that is right up to the top. Let's take that out, pop that on. Do make sure you give your bottle a good wash beforehand, like I did. But there we go, that is now in there. We can give that a really good shake now. Just shake that up. So you might be able to see like there's some of the vanilla seeds and things like that floating around in there now. Perhaps if I bring that a bit closer. So you might be able to see those vanilla seeds and things like that in there. Now you're going to give this a good couple of weeks just to infuse with the vodka and just give it a really good shake every day to try and get things moving around. But that's going to infuse with the vodka, and you're going to end up with some really nice pure vanilla extract that you've made at home. But because we don't have a couple of weeks, let's do a little bit of magic. And in proper Blue Peter fashion, here's one I made earlier. This is probably one that you've seen me using on the channel before. It's a slightly smaller bottle, but it's still just vanilla pods and vodka. And it's a really sustainable way of keeping your vanilla extract going, because then once you've got this going, you can just keep adding vanilla pods to it. You won't need as many this time. You can just keep topping it up with vodka, and it's a hell of a lot of a cheaper, hell of a lot more sustainable way of keeping vanilla extract going. You won't have to keep buying those little bottles each time. It's just a really satisfying thing to do, and just having your own vanilla extract is just a really nice thing. And that is it, that is the video today. It's a really nice simple one. And if you are baking regularly, if you go through a lot of vanilla extract, then I would suggest just making your own at home. It's a hell of a lot cheaper in the long term, a hell of a lot more sustainable, and it's just really satisfying. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful. As always with any of my videos, if you liked it, then like the video. If you're enjoying what I'm doing, subscribe to the channel. And that's it for this really quick Big Friendly Grub. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you next time on Big Friendly Grub. Bye.